Are you from India, Ontario? India, namaste, let go. India, next to France, very quickly. America, next to France. Let go of the rope, America. Leave your purse with your husband or boyfriend or boss. He looks like that. Next to the lady from France. Okay, now one more guy on this side. Oh, Iran and, yeah, put down the rope, France, less than forward. France, à côté le gars, oui, je suis vite. And Iran, put away the phone, put away yalla couscous next to the ladies, okay? Iran, okay, now, boys, we're going to do one adjustment. Je besoin de Québécois à l'autre bout. And this guy over there, the other end. Yeah, we're gonna ladies, and with the New York right there. Yeah, ladies, yeah. Okay. Now, oh, by the way, America, you're standing next to France. Can you shake her? Just say thank you for the Statue of Liberty.